Well, if that's all that's wrong with it, it hit the tail boom right there with these blades, and I don't see it or feel a mark on them. And I swear everything else looks good here. Let's see what it does. This little thing is tough as nails. And I will give it credit. I come from the... Well, I lived through some of the T-Rex 450 days. Come on, baby.
Warning, stunt 1.
Not to say, you know, that I don't like T-Rex, because I do. It's just those 450s, man. They were so damn hard to rebuild, the fly-barred ones. What have I got? You all set? I don't have my glasses on.
Timer cleared.
Yeah, we're on the right model there. Ooh, that looks good. That's going to be one of the cheapest crashes of all time. How many of those little things do you get in a bag? Like 4 of them or something, or 5 of them? I don't know. Let's see what we do here. The wind's trying to blow. How's my camera looking? I always forget to move this thing around and I fly out the top of my... Shall we chance that right there? No, just in case it decides it wants to go all haywire on us. Dooby-dooby-doo. Wind quit blowing right now. Oh, my back is tight today. Playing with firewood.
Timer start. Stunt
Whoa.
1.
Whoa, you're in the air there. I was looking at my radio.
Stunt 2.
Son of a gun.
Stunt 1.
See if it still wobbles. Oh, yeah.
Stunt 1.
I could raise that. I mean, yeah, raise that up just a little bit right there. Slow down, little buddy. You drive so fast. Yeah. You look all right. What a tough little helicopter now. I should be running more head speed than I am. A little bit windy. She's bobbing around a little bit. You know, this thing has got some high frequency vibration in it. I think it has a bad blade grip. The problem is, man, I've changed the blade grips, and wherever, if it's bent, it's bent where I can't tell it. And I can't seem to, I don't know, I started marking it, and then I finally just gave up. It flies all right. I can't believe it's flying with this bent tail boom, but I guess that doesn't affect it. So this is what, 4 minutes. This is what I'm practicing, and this is why I'm using this little thing. I already about flew into myself a minute ago when I crashed it doing this inverted. Because I'm also going to start learning my inverted circuits. I can fly inverted. I mean, I fly in the simulator pretty good, but I take it in little pieces out here. And I just need to start running out battery after battery, you know, doing figure eights or something, pirouettes. But then, you know, that learning stuff isn't nearly as fun as stuff that you already know. But I am pretty much concentrating on these funnels, hurricanes. The British call them pie pans or pie dish. Boy, that wind's getting me now. Oof. Oof. Come on with us. Hang in there with me. It's gonna be gone in a second. You won't even know it happened. Trust me. He's mad. It's mad. It sounds mad. Yeah, I know. I hear it coming. That's right. Look away from it for a minute. That'll make it better. Now I can't stop flying backwards. I'm having a problem locking myself into a tail down, a tail end funnel because I've been flying backwards so much since T-Rex invert. Did make me realize, even though I was flying backwards a lot, I wasn't flying anything tight. I'm still not with this guy just yet. Let's tighten that up. No, I'm not tightening that up right now. A lot of wind. I should switch to something bigger, I guess. Put on my body armor. Oh, there you go. See there? I told you it would calm down. You didn't believe me. Yeah, that sucked. Come on, come on, come on. You're getting too big. It's like a mule. It wants to go back to the stables. It wants to go back to that van. So I'm disrupting its situation. All right, let's take a break. I can feel the edge of my brain. They say it's a gray line. Here comes the wind.
1 minute.
Oh yeah. Oh shiza, that was a bad move right there with that particular gust. We saved it though. Whoa, whoa. Come here, man. What are you doing? Let's go home before you hurt yourself any worse than you already have. You old bent tail boom. I see you. How do we want to do this? Given the wind that just started blowing, I'm going to play it safe here. Wow, look at it fighting that wind. Little dude, you are running out of battery. Oh, it's all over. Oh, wow, that's going to be a big drop. There we go. Oh, I don't check fades on this little guy. There is no rest for the wicked. And I don't want to hear about my purple shoes matching my purple jacket. That is not by chance. I mean, that is not on purpose. They were on sale, dadgummit. Peaceness.